Introduction and Overview of Shopify POS Lite. Shopify is a famous e-commerce platform that assists businesses in setting up and running their online stores. It provides users with a variety of features and tools for managing their store, including a point-of-sale system. The Shopify point-of-sale system is available in 2 versions. In this video, we'll look at the significant changes between the 2 versions and help you determine which one is best for your company. Shopify POS Lite versus Pro. What's the difference? The biggest distinction between the 2 versions of Shopify's point-of-sale system is the quantity of features and capabilities provided. The Lite edition is a simplified version of the Pro POS system with fewer features and capabilities. It's intended for small enterprises that don't require all of the bells and whistles provided by the Pro version. For a demonstration of the differences, please see the link below. Here's a brief rundown of the primary differences between Shopify Point-of-Sale Lite and Pro. POS Pro has sophisticated inventory management features, but POS Lite does not. With POS Pro, you can manage inventory levels, reorder goods, and make purchase orders straight from the point-of-sale app. This is a critical function for businesses who sell items in physical storefronts, since it allows them to keep track of their stock levels and guarantee they never run out of products to offer. POS Lite does not provide an infinite number of point-of-sale stations, but POS Pro does. You won't be able to give staff roles and permissions with Point-of-Sale Lite, which may be useful for security and monitoring down poor performance. This can be cumbersome and may result in higher expenditures for your shop in the long term. With POS Pro, you'll have access to a plethora of in-store statistics that will show you which goods are doing the best. Shopify's point-of-sale system is a fantastic resource for businesses of all sizes. It provides users with lots of features and tools for effectively managing their store. If you want a pared-down version of the Shopify POS system with fewer features and tools, Shopify Point-of-Sale Lite is probably the best option for your company. However, if you want inventory management, analytical insight, and an infinite number of registers and users, Shopify POS Pro is the way to go. Click the link below to chat with one of our experts about what is the greatest match.